Do you want to find a winner product? This is something that people ask me all the time. How do you find a winner product? And most people just suck at it. And I'm going to show you exactly why. In this video, I'm going to break down the 3 most important things that you must do in order to take any product into a winner. And I'm also going to be showing you why most people suck at dropshipping. There was a point where I could not figure it out. Product after product after product that I tested, I just got nowhere. And this is happening to a lot of people, maybe even you. And there was just 3 simple things that I changed that allowed me to hit my first winner product that made me $10,000 in a single month with Shopify dropship. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Sam Jacobs. I did over $7 million in sales with dropshipping by the age of 22 years old. I also own a company called Commercive.co, which is a private fulfillment company, and I sold 3 of my stores in the last 12 months alone. Now let's go back 6 years ago. I was a 17-year-old kid trying to figure out how I can make some money online, but I just couldn't figure it out. No matter how many products I tried, I just couldn't get it right. I remember sitting there in my room bawling. No kidding. I was literally crying of how hard it was to just find one winner product. Yes, I was getting sales here and there, but nothing really stuck. And it came to a point where I almost quit dropshipping. And then I made a little bit of a switch. What I started to do is to analyze people that were crushing it with dropshipping, figure out what they were doing that I wasn't. And I started to realize there was 3 main things that I needed to change. Let's talk about them. Number 1 was my websites. Let me show you an example of how my websites used to look. So as you can see on this website, it's complete crap. I mean, this is how 99% of dropshippers' websites look. Tons of text, things that nobody would read. Let's just be honest here. Would you read all this text if you came onto this website? Your answer is probably no, right? And this is what people don't understand. They think that they can just build a random website like this that looks like crap and then get sales. Now, you might get lucky and get 1 or 2 sales on a store like this, but if you truly want to hit those $1,000 days, $5,000 days, or even $10,000 a day with your dropshipping store, these won't work. In order to be a 1%er, it's really not that hard. Just don't build things like this. Now, I have a video on my YouTube channel called How to Actually Build a Dropshipping Business in 2024. You can watch it to see kind of how I build really high converting websites. Number 2, product selection. This is where a lot of people get it all wrong. That the way to find a winner product is just copying what's working out there. And here's what ends up happening. You go to all these spy tools, or you go on your Instagram or TikTok feed and you find a product that everyone else is selling. Yes, it may be doing well for someone's store, but then what you try to do is copy that store and it ends up a lot worse than the store that's doing well, and you can't compete with them. Now, what most people are doing, they're just copying stores that are doing right now. Those stores are doing really well, but you're testing now a saturated product that everyone is trying to jump on. Now, I don't know if you've seen it on my channel, but I recently took a store from 0 to 260,000 in sales. I document it live on my YouTube channel, but the product that we were scaling was something that nobody else was selling. Maybe there was 1 or 2 competitors, but being ahead of the trends was the way that we outcompeted all our competition and really scaled to the moon so quickly. And that leads me to number 3. Creatives. If you want to be successful at running TikTok or Facebook ads, here's the one secret that nobody really tells you. The money is in the creatives. If you want to really stand out, if you have a video ad that is better than everyone else, that's the way that you're going to win. Let me give you an example of a crap creative and a really good creative so you can see for yourself what I'm talking about. Okay, in front of me, this is an ad that most people think that is good, but it's not going to get any sales. Let me show you, okay? So right away, this screams dropshipping. In fact, it doesn't even have the right dimensions for a TikTok ad, okay? Now let me show you an ad that actually went viral, and you're gonna see the difference between the crap ad and an actual good ad. Take a look at this. Okay, now why did this ad do so well? What we do is we go to TikTok and we take multiple videos of people using our product and we put it together into a few video ads that absolutely crush it. Why? It's because it's social proof of people using the product and people seeing that and saying, hey, I can use it the same way that they're using it. That's what gets them to really buy the product. So to recap, these are 3 things that really help me to go from not finding a winner product and rapidly testing crap to actually finding a winner product. Number 1, my website's really taking it to the next level and better and different than all the other dropshippers. Number 2, my products finally stopped testing saturated products and products that everyone else is testing. And number 3, really going above and beyond with my creative process. Now, if you're ready to stop making mistakes and start finding winner products and you want to join my private mastermind, go ahead and click the link in the description to book a call with either me or one of my team members. We'll jump on the call and see if you're the right fit for this private mastermind. Again, we've had to turn down a lot of applicants over the last few weeks. I'm being very selective on who I bring into this program because I'm literally going to be mentoring you and helping you from start to finish. I'll be able to look over your products that you're testing or even that you want to test and tell you which one you should or shouldn't test to save you thousands of dollars in ads. Even review your creatives and your website to make sure that you're doing things right. In fact, this is the way that I learned. I learned from someone who was absolutely crushing with dropshipping, and he told me what exactly I should fix in order to start succeeding with it. And that was a big switch for me that worked. So of course, if you want to replicate my system, get the crazy results that my students are getting, then go ahead and book a call and we'll chat. See you in the next one.